Well, it was very cold in winter, very hot in summer, so something needed to be done. It was just, you'd warm the room up and the heat would just go out in winter. In summer it just came in with the sun because we are south facing. Well, we did sit in it, but in the middle of summer when it was really hot, I had to go and sit in another room, same as in winter.
And you paid £1,000 for blinds, didn't you? All flies in, didn't you?
Yeah, you got all flies, and then they'd be dead and you couldn't get them out because of, you know, this particular roof that was on. It was horrendous. I'd actually seen them advertised on TV as well, these firms, and then one popped up online, so I started looking at various ones, and I got quotes from quite a few of them, and TWS were the best quote, you know, that we could get. I thought it was going to be a lot of hassle because it was December, which was to me a silly time to do it, but the workmen came in, they were only on it 3 or 4 days, weren't they?
Yeah.
They came in, they got it on, they didn't mess about, they cleared everything away so there was no rubbish left, everything was taken away. Absolutely wonderful. Different, it's just like a normal room now. You can come in, it's just as warm as any other room in the house. Just use it all year round, which is what we wanted. Because we've got the views, we need to be in here. When they come at the weekend, the grandchildren come, and of course they like to be in here and they play, and oh, it's super, it's different again. There's people that have mentioned it. I've said go to TWS in Leeds, they'll just come, they'll do it all, 3 or 4 days, all finished and done with.